Hello guys, I received a new knife from the Kotai company to test it for you. The name of this knife is Kiritsuke chef knife and belong to the collection of Bunka collection. Here on the website you find all the information. Also you can switch the language, so if you are not English like me, you can read the information in your language. They ship knives all over the world and they do properly because it's in a box like I show it now. Inside the spectacular box that they make it, this wooden box, there is also protection, so the blade will be safe. If you are traveling like me often, you can use it to protect your knife. Remember that you have a 15% of discount on any of these knives if you use my coupon discount 15CIOCCOLA. Plus, if you check on the website, you can personalize the knife, you can write your name, you can write a sentence if you want to dedicate the knife to somebody. So it's perfect for a gift, especially with this beautiful box. I will test the knife on this tuna. Somebody will ask why you are using that knife when you have a proper knife for fish, because this kind of knife, they say that is for every day, so you can use for chopping, for mincing, for cutting, but also for cleaning the fish, because of this kind of shape, so you can cut it inside the fish. So let's test it. Like you can notice, the knife cut very well, and also if you are no expert like me, you can cut the fish and have these two beautiful fillet. Okay guys, if you want to see what will happen to this fillet, don't miss the next video. So this means that you need to subscribe, click on the bell. In this way you can watch this video. Please share this video with your friends, leave me a like it, and remember that if you want to buy this knife, in the comment of the video you can find a link and the coupon to have 15% of discount. Bye bye!